So these are all. I made it for yogurt semonilla pancakes. I use only 1 cup of semonilla and 1 cup of yogurt, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar, tablespoon of cooking oil, pinch of salt, baking powder, and what is more. So this is very easy to prepare, and this your kids, they like this one to eat. Very tasty yogurt from fresh buffalo milk to yogurt. And this is cow's milk. Still not ready. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make a new recipe. So these are all the ingredients. 2 medium-sized eggs, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup of yogurt. This is organic yogurt from fresh buffalo milk, like this cup I use. So this is 1 cup, and this is 3 tablespoons of semonilla. I grind this one. And this is also semonella, 1 cup, but I did not grind this one. And 3 tablespoons of grinded sugar. You can use also not grinded sugar, sorry. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, so we are going now to mix all the ingredients. Sugar, grinded semonella, and this is baking powder, and this is pinch of salt, and this is 1 cup of not grinded semonilla, or we call it here in Pakistan suji. And this is 1 cup of organic yogurt, and this is 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we can mix all these ingredients. We have to mix well. So I'll already mix well. Now I have to leave this one for 15 minutes. So this is the mixture or batter. And then I will cover it. Now we can put here in plastic shopper. Now I put already oil here in pan. So now we can start now to make this one. Ay, sorry. Ay, tumalsik na. Now we have to cook 2 to 3 minutes. Change side now. Flip. Ah, wow. Malaki yung isa. But no problem. No problem the size, but the taste is good. Now another 2 minutes to cook. So both sides is already cooked. Now we can next batch. Now we have to put some oil here. next batch. Now we have to cook again another 2 minutes or 3 minutes until it will become golden like this. So I can't wait the taste. Again. Flip. I know. But it's okay. Oh, no problem. Because the flame is high, so that's why I adjust the flame. But it's no problem. This can be eaten. This is already cooked. Now we have to turn off now the flame. And then we will put ham. Ay, nahulog. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Cooking simonella with yogurt pancakes. Now, one by one, we have to apply sugar here. Grinded sugar. I grind sugar here. Like that. Wow, yummy, yummy. Sarap ito pang merienda. Ayan, silangga. Ayan, silangga. Ayan, may langga. He want to drink water. Wait, wait. Sarap. We add more sugar here because this is not enough. You can try also this one. I hope, I'm sure your kids, they like this too much. Especially when they don't like to eat. Now you can make this one for them. And this is good for them to bring in their school baon. Instead of buying junk foods in their school for canteen. So you can make this one. This is very easy to make and also simple ingredients. Now we have to arrange it. Oh, ayan. Now we can add more sugar. If you like more sugar, then you can add sugar. Ayan. Ayan, try na natin kainin yung aking ginawa na simonilla yogurt pancakes. So, ang pantulak nito, if there is winter season, lalo na ngayon dito sa aking lugar, ay autumn, malamig. So, parisan ng coffee o kaya tea. And then, kung dyan naman sa Pilipinas, kung summer, pwede nyong pantulak ay Pepsi or anything you want na pantulak. Pero sa akin ay tea. So, tikman na natin ang aking ginawa na simonilla pancake. Ayan. Unang subo sa inyong lahat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim wala barakatillah. Very soft siya. Masarap ito pang almusal or pang merienda o kaya snack. And your kids, I'm sure they love this one. They like to eat this one. Ang sugar niya ay katamtaman lang. Sarap.